Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Round Thoughts. Now in this episode I want to talk about things you should do when you're depressed or how to get yourself out of depression. Now the first thing on the list is make yourself a tea. Now I personally recommend making a mint or apple cinnamon tea because those two are best for relaxing yourself and therefore best for getting out of depression. The second thing on the list is listen to some positive music that makes you happy. Artists that make me happy are Avicii, Mika, Coldplay. There are many more, but I just can't remember them now. They will probably work for you because their music is really positive and optimistic and probably will get you into a good mood like this. The third thing on the list is do something new, random, fun, awesome, but not in a YOLO style or something like that. More in an awesome style, like buy a piece of clothing you never wore before, like refresh your style and lifestyle a bit, because that's always good. Positive changes are always good and they will bring you into good mood in no time. The fourth thing on the list is make yourself your favorite meal. Why? Food makes everyone happy, no exceptions. Especially your favorite meal. Now if you don't know how to make your favorite meal, either learn it, because that's a new experience and that's fun, or simply buy it and that's okay. Eating your favorite meal is fun in any way, so that's cool. That will bring you up if you're down. The fifth thing on the list is hang out with your best friends. Now best friends are always there for you. They will always be there when you're depressed, so just call them and go to a club or go to a walk to a town or something like that. Just hang out with them, spend time with them and you will feel awesome. Really. The sixth thing on the list is watch my videos. Do something new, random, awesome. Because my videos are very random and there is even one motivational video which can motivate you. It's called Never Give Up. Search it. And yeah, that will bring you up. The seventh thing on the list is do what you love. If you like drawing, draw. If you like playing guitar, play guitar. If you like singing, sing. Anything you love, just do it, because when you do something that you love, you feel better because you love doing it. And the final thing on the list is go take a nap. If everything fails, you probably had a busy day or something like that. Just go take a nap, 1 or 2 hours, and everything will be fine. Everyone loves naps, and even I love them, and everything will be fine when you wake up. You'll see. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this episode. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new episodes. My Kentucky Jerk Chicken episode is coming out this Saturday, and my creative video is coming out this Sunday. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. See you next episode. Bye.